Our topic is division of algebraic expression. So the law says that the quotient of two numbers of like signs is positive and the quotient of two numbers of unlike signs is negative. For the theorem, if m and n are positive integers and a is a real number not equal to 0, then the quotient of a raised to m over a raised to n, this is just equal to the difference of the exponent m minus n, provided that the m is greater than n. And this would be a raised to 0, wherein we know that any number raised to 0 is 1. This is true if n is equal to n. And we would have 1 over a raised to n minus n, and this is true if m is less than n. So for example, we have y to the 5th divided by y squared. So we just have y 5 minus 2, that is y cubed. And this is our answer. And if we have 15x squared over negative 3x to the 4th, so we would have 15 divided by negative 3, so that's negative 5. And since 4 here is greater than 2, so ibababa natin siya, so that's x4 minus 2. And this is just equal to negative 5 over x squared. And this is our answer. We can also say that this expression here, if we are going to divide 15 by negative 3, so it's negative 5. And we can also say that this is 2 minus 4. And this would be negative 5x to the negative 2. Since negative yung exponent natin, para maging positive siya, so ililipat natin siya sa denominator. And that would be x squared. And this is our answer, the same to this answer here. So remember na kapag nililipat natin siya from the numerator to the denominator, nag-change yung sign natin. So from negative here, magiging positive siya. Or kung yung negative mo ay nasa denominator, at ililipat mo siya sa numerator, then that would be positive na siya sa numerator. Division of a polynomial by a monomial is obtained by dividing all the terms of the dividend polynomial by the divisor monomial. So in this case, if we are going to divide 3x squared y minus 6x y squared plus 12x by 3x, so sinasabi lang dito sa rule natin that we are going to divide each by the divisor. So we would have here 3x squared y divided by 3x minus 6x y squared divided by 3x plus 12x over 3x. Then for the first term, so 3 divided by 3 is 1, x squared divided by x, 2 minus 1 is 1, so that's x times y. And negative 6 divided by 3 is 2, x divided by x, that would be 0 already, and that is y squared. 12 divided by 3 is 4, so that's 4, x divided by x is 0. So this is our answer. have the remainder of 0. The division is exact, and the result may be expressed as the dividend divided by the divisor is equal to the quotient. So let's solve this example number 2 here. We are asked to divide 3x minus 6x squared plus 18 by 2x plus 3. So what we are going to do here is the long division. Okay, so we are going to make use of the long division. As you can see here, nauna si x kaysa kay x squared. So first thing na gagawin natin is to rearrange the equation. So that's 6x squared plus 3x plus 18. So dapat yung ating exponent is reducing. Divided by 2x plus 3. So first thing na gagawin natin is to divide the first term with the first term. So we would have negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. X squared divided by x is x. So that's just 2 minus 1. And then we are going to multiply our answer here dito sa dalawang to. So we would have negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. X times x is x squared. Then negative 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Of course, that's x. So next thing that we are going to do is to change the sign. Since nagsusubtract tayo dito, so change the sign and let's proceed to addition. So we would have here negative 6 plus positive 6 x squared. So that's 0. 3 plus 9 is 12. Just copy the x. Then, let's bring down this 18 here. So, the same, pag nagde-divide, yung first term, i-divide natin ng first term. So, that's 12 divided by 2 is 6. And x divided by x, 1. So, wala na siya. So, the same gagawin natin. We distribute this 6 here. Multiply natin siya dito sa dalawang to. So, for the first term, that's 6 times 2, it's 12. So, you have here x. 6 times 3, that's 18. And then, we change the sign since nagsusubtract tayo dito. So, from positive, magiging negative siya. From positive, magiging negative. And then, let's proceed to addition. Positive 12 plus negative 12 is 0. Positive 18 plus negative 18 is 0. So, as you can see here, our remainder here is 0. So, meaning, itong nasa taas, ito na yung sagot natin. So, if we are going to divide the 3x minus 6x squared plus 18 by 2x plus 3, so we could say that the 3x minus 6x squared plus 18 over 2x plus 3 is just equal to this. Sasagot natin, 3x plus 6. And this is our answer. If the remainder is not 0, we express the result as dividend over the divisor is equal to quotient plus the remainder over the divisor. So, for this, we divide 6a to the 4th minus 41a squared plus 3a plus 6 by 2a squared minus 4a minus 3. So, we have here 6a to the 4th minus 41a squared plus 3a plus 6. And this is to be divided by 2a squared minus 4a minus 3. So we have to divide the first term with the first term. And we have here 6 divided by 2 is 3. A to the 4th divided by a squared is a squared. And then multiply this sa tatlong to. So, 3a squared times 2 is 6a to the 4th. 3a squared times negative 4a is negative 12a cubed. And we have 3a squared times negative 3, that's negative 9a squared. So next thing that we are going to do is to change the sign. So the negative would be positive and the positive would be negative, and then let's proceed to addition. Now be careful with this kasi dapat pareho yung degree, no, ng mga literal coefficients natin para pwede natin siyang i-add. So in this case, this is 6a to the 4th plus negative 6a to the 4th. So that would be 0. But as you can see here, wala tayong a cube dito. So meaning ito ay nag-iisang a cube. I-bring down lang natin siya. So that's positive 12a cubed. For the a square, so may a squared ka doon, may a squared ka doon. So sila yung pagsasamahin natin. That would be negative 41 plus 9. So we have negative 32 a squared. And then, i-bring down natin to yung ibang term na natira. We have the 3a and the 6. Okay, so next, first term divided by first term. And we have here 12a cubed divided by 2a squared. So that's 6a. Then, i-multiply natin itong sagot natin sa tatlong to. So we have 6a times 2a squared is 12a cubed. 6a times negative 4a is negative 24a squared. And the 6a times negative 3 is negative 18a. And then, change the sign. So that would be negative, this would be positive, and this would be positive. So we would have 12 plus negative 12, so that would be 0. Negative 32 plus 24, that is negative 8. And 3 plus 18, so that's positive 21. And then bring down 6. Next, we are going to divide this negative 8a squared here with a 2a squared here. So we would have negative 8a squared divided by 2a squared. So that's negative 4. So we have here 4 times 2a squared, that's negative 8a squared, times negative 4a is positive 16a. Negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. So next thing na gagawin natin is to change the sign. So that would be positive, this would be negative, and this would be negative. And then proceed to addition. We have negative 8 plus positive 8, positive 21 plus negative 16, so that's positive 5. And 6 plus negative 12 is negative 6. As you can see here, a here is to the first degree while the divisor is a squared. So, mas mataas na ngayon yung degree ng divisor natin kumpara dito. So, meaning, itong expression na to, na 5a minus 6, ay remainder natin. So, anong sabi dito? Sabi niya, if we have the remainder, since we divided 6a to the 4th, minus 41 a squared plus 3a plus 6 by 2a squared minus 4a. So our answer here is this, wherein yun yung quotient natin. So that would be 3a squared plus 6a minus 4. And sabi dito, plus the remainder, since this is the remainder, that's 5a minus 6. Actually, ito yun yung remainder over the divisor. So, ito yung divisor natin. We have our divisor to a squared minus 4a minus 3. And this is our answer.